The case of the whispering typewriter. Detective Hugo Crane was known for his odd methods. While other detectives dusted for prints and chased witnesses, Hugo sat quietly in his dim office, listening to the click-clack of his old typewriter. One rainy morning, a woman named Mrs. Penfield burst through the door. "My husband is missing," she cried. "All I found was his typewriter still tapping, by itself." Hugo raised an eyebrow. "A haunted typewriter, sounds like my kind of case." He packed nothing but his notepad and a fresh ribbon for his own machine. At the Penfield home, the typewriter sat in the study, keys gently pressing as if guided by invisible fingers. On the paper appeared the words, "Help me." Most would have run. Hugo didn't. He sat down and rolled in a blank sheet. Then, he began typing. "Who are you?" The typewriter paused, then replied, "E. Penfield." It was the missing husband. Hugo's fingers trembled slightly as he continued, "Where are you?" "In the attic, behind the wall." Hugo climbed the narrow stairs, the typewriter's keys clattering faster below as if warning him. He tapped the wall, one section sounded hollow. A few minutes later, he pried it open to find Mr. Penfield, alive, bound, and terrified. The culprit turned out to be the jealous brother-in-law, who had locked him away for the inheritance. But when Hugo returned home and set his own typewriter on the desk, it typed a message all on its own. "Good work, Hugo." He smiled faintly. "Thanks, partner," he said, and the keys softly clicked in reply. The end.